That smell of sawdust, it's addicting. That scent and the touch of the wood, I became almost obsessed in a way. I started to consume my days with what I'm gonna do next. My name is Clifford Gross. I'm a veteran, United States Navy. Ended up being a surface rescue swimmer. To be away from home, away from loved ones, not being able to give someone a hug for 7 months gives you a whole new outlook on things. After coming home from deployment, I was able to appreciate the small things. Up high. Ooh, down low. Too slow. Up high. Yeah. After getting out, I was able to say, okay, what really matters? And what makes me feel good? What is something that will stay on this earth longer than myself? Videos, creating woodwork, these things can last for hundreds of years. And my kids' kids can see it. So it's kind of a legacy.